We really like this ingredient we will talk about today. You certainly must have seen at least 2 or 3 types of onions on the market, right? And then comes the question, what is the best type of onion for each thing? Onions are an amazing ingredient, full of benefits to our health, and are also used in culinary. To season, garnish, as appetizers, and many other uses. Knowing which one of them is the best one for your recipe will help you. Learn more about the differences in between each type of onion. Yellow onions. This is one of the most known and used onions, in most countries. Its size is bigger than the others, and its pulp has a more intense and acid taste. It is more recommended for stews, sauces, roasts, and braisers. But nothing stops you from using it in salads, as well. It is great to fight colds, flu, tonsillitis, cough, asthma, and allergies. It also helps lower bad cholesterol and hypertension, besides containing lots of antioxidants, ideal to prevent premature aging. Red onions. Very used in the United States, red onions are the most recommended one to be eaten raw, in salads or sandwiches. It is also ideal to make guacamole, caramelized onions, and vinaigrette. According to studies, red onion is the healthiest option, and the one that brings the most benefits because of the anthocyanins it has, a type of flavonoid that works as an antioxidant. For this reason, red onions help prevent cardiovascular diseases, reduce the levels of bad cholesterol and triglycerides, and also fight respiratory diseases, such as bronchitis and asthma. With a magenta skin, and a sweeter, less acid taste, it is easy to find them in markets. Sweet onions, or Vidalia. A typically American onion, and its main characteristic is its flat shape. Because of its low content of sulfur and high amount of water, it has a sweet taste, and it's the ideal type of onion for frying, like onion rings, gratin, and roast vegetables. Shallots. Shallots are small onions, ideal to eat as an appetizer or sautéed with meat. It is the sweetest one of all, and has very low acidity. Its shape is also different, shallots are elongated. They are ideal for pickles, jams, and more refined dishes, and are largely used in French cuisine. When cooked, they almost melt completely, and when caramelized, they are even more sweet. And last, but not least, white onions. With a white skin and intense flavor, just like yellow onions, it also is the most recommended one for meals that are prepared on the stove. It is a little harder to find and is ideal for dishes with sauces or as appetizers. So, did you know all these types of onions? How many of them have you seen and used? But before buying it, always choose onions that aren't damaged, and have shiny skins. Another important characteristic that helps choose onions is to pick the most uniform ones, which are easier to cut, and also have a better distribution of taste. Don't forget to subscribe Beauty Tips Guru. Thanks for watching.